Welcome back. Back to the 50s is over. That means it's time to get back on the Bel Air project. For those that are new, this 1954 Bel Air is going on top of my 2003 Chevy Silverado with a 6-inch lift. Hell yeah, let's get going. Perfect. I may have scratched the roof. Guess I'm gonna have to find new storage. Can't use this anymore. I have to figure something out. I don't even know where to start. It's not working. There. One more on this side, and then the whole other side? Yay! Oh no, I found more. Damn. I got it! Oh, I can't believe that one came out too. Hell yeah! I think it's free. I don't know. It's fine. Ignore it. Come on. Get it. There we go. Is that it? Is that everything? I don't see nothing bad happening. Nope. It's good. What would be really handy about now is another 3 guys. Uh-oh, it's fine, everything's under control. Nope. We got this, Maybe we got this. Everything's going okay. Not exactly the plan, but we're getting there. Come on, dirty. We're getting there. I win. I think the bumper is next. I don't really know. I'm just gonna keep cutting shit off until I get to what I want. And I don't want this bumper. Really hoping I was gonna be able to save this receiver, but it's so rusted. I mean, it's just not even worth it. So that's got to go too. Oh, this has been a lot of work already. It doesn't help that it's like 103 degrees today. Good thing I'm smart and decided to use the torch, because that just keeps things nice and cool. Nope, sure doesn't. Woo-wee, tight. It'd be great if I could see it. I'm about ready to torch it. Correction. I am gonna torch it. Oh, I think I should put some, yeah. I just don't want it to fall on my head, that's all. Ow, that was the back. Ow, that was the other side of the back. Sometimes you gotta use a little finesse to get these off. It's been in there a little while. There's no need to get aggressive or rush these things. You just gotta ease it out. Oh, I think we got her. Whoa. So that's a wrap for today. It's freaking hot and I'm exhausted. That heat really just takes it out of you. But the box is off, the bumper's off, the grill's off, lights are out. We're making progress, albeit slow, but it's still progress. Now I'm gonna start whittling the cab down to what I need, which is nothing. I don't need anything on the cab. I just want the running gear and the frame. So that'll be next. We'll just keep stripping away. Strip, strip, strip. Strip, strip, strip. Open up! Wrong way. Yep. Oh boy. That's a lot heavier than it looked. Whoa. Perfect. Don't know where that bolt went. Just keep taking bolts out. Ow. 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 That really hurt a lot. This is another stage I just want to go full hack on, but my better judgment's telling me, no, Simon. Take your time, take it apart correctly. Fine. Oh, perfect. It just unthreaded the thing. Must be cheap brand or something. That's junk. Pretty sure that's not a K&N, but what do I know? I still need all of this gone, and it's all still here. That's where we are with that. Oops. Oops, dropped more bolts. This is way easier and less dirty than the BELAIR was, just saying. I wonder. That was a stubborn one. Should have known there was one underneath it. There's always one underneath. Whoa. Settle down, Simon. Now what do I do? This side's probably going to be way harder. There's way more stuff in the way. Way more stuff. You know, like a battery, fuse box, washer fluid container, wiring, brakes. So much junk. Ties everywhere. But I know where all the bolts are now. Oh, that one ain't moving. It just needed more power. I've done some shoddy wiring in my day, but this might even have me beat. So many extra wires connected to the battery. I don't even know what they're for. There's grounds just jammed everywhere. I don't know. Yes, I know these plastic buttons just unclip and pop out. What you don't understand is, I don't care. Found ya. Like it really needed this screw down in here. I think an engineer put this one in here as a joke. Whoa. Oh, I found a mouse nest and chewed up wires. That's awesome. Yep. I'm not sure what that wire's for, but yeah. I don't know what all I need in here. So we'll just try and keep it all together as best we can for now. Ow, that's hot. Shit, nope. Well, that's probably lost forever. What am I missing? Oh, yep. Let's pretend I didn't try and force it off. Now, this is the first time I'm trying to take this fender off. Oh, pretty good, if I do say so myself. I like to tell myself I'm going to remember where all these wires went and what they're for, but I know I'm lying to myself. So many extra lights and light bars and rock lights and all kinds of crap that doesn't work on here. Like this plug, what's this plug for? I don't know. Fenders are off, hood is off, box is off, bumpers off. We're making hella progress. I'm running out of time tonight. Ooh, what is that? I'm just going to pretend I didn't see that because I don't know what it is and it's gross. That's all I got time for today. Thanks for watching. Come back again. Check out my other videos. That Ratrod, that's on videos. Come check it out.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out.